It's Jay Reed Birding. Currently standing in Peoria County, Illinois. And this is 25 birds. This morning I'm at Jubilee College State Park, Peoria County. Great park for birding. Done very well here. Kentucky warbler. It's turkey season, so the trails are closed, which I usually walk the roads anyway. But it's going to make it more difficult for where I try for Louisiana water thrush because it's a little bit off the road, but I should still be able to hear it if it's here. It's been reported here the last couple days, but still too early for any good footage with old trusty here, Panasonic Lumix. But I'm at 20 birds, so it's going to happen. Birding by ear, lesson 2. Drink your tea. Eastern Towhee. Drink your tea. Mark that down. Change parks, Singing Woods Nature Preserve. I'm in a hurry, trying to get down the hill. I got 40 minutes left. field sparrow out by the parking lot. In the prairie trail is bird number 29 for the day. Did add Louisiana water thrush for the year. That's nice, good one to find. Wasn't able to get a video, but did get a picture. So probably about 31 birds today. I'll show them all right here. Peoria County has been checked off the list, and we're on to the next county.